We're here at the Fermeuns house. I hear they're super interested in Sling TV and becoming cord cutters, so let's help them out.
Meet the Fermeuns, family of 5 with busy schedules who love to watch TV. They have had cable for over 20 years, but today they're finally cutting the cord.
We've had cable for about 20 years. I'm a little hesitant to cut the cord and to switch over to Sling TV. I'm afraid that I'm gonna not have all the channels that I wanted.
That you never watch.
That I never watch, that he says, yeah, that I never watch. But not just like the security of having all those channels.
I'd rather just be simpler and have just closer to what the channels you are that you watch and only pay for the channels that you watch.
I'm so excited that Dave from Sling TV is coming by to explain how we can cut the cord.
Hi, you must be Ronnie.
Yes, hi.
Hi, great to meet you.
David.
David, I'm David too.
And I'm so excited to quit paying for all those channels we never watch.
So great to meet you, both.
Nice to meet you too. We're so excited to get Sling TV.
Awesome, well that's what I'm here for, and so why don't you show me where you watch TV?
Here's the main room where we watch TV in the family room.
Oh, and I see you've got an Amazon Fire remote.
Yes.
All right, so you've got an Amazon Fire TV there as well. So, who's watching here? What are you watching?
We have 3 kids.
3 kids.
So we're all watching TV in here. Sometimes in here we fight over who wants to watch
She
TV.
thinks it's her TV, but it's really my daughter.
Maybe originally it was her TV,
Yes.
and now it's not anymore.
Yes.
It looks like it's going to be very easy for us to install on our existing TVs and also on our older TVs where we can use the Fire Stick.
Okay, TV, Xbox, video games, got it?
Yep.
And it looks like you've got a computer and you're watching TV on your iPad there as well. So that's perfect because you get Sling TV on all of these, on the computer, on our iPad, and on the Xbox here too. So when they're done playing video games.
I didn't know that you could
So
watch.
it doesn't need to be a smart TV then?
It doesn't, no, as long as you have a way to get Sling TV, which you have 3 different ways in this room alone, then you're fine.
And they can watch different things so they won't end up fighting?
Up to 3 people can be watching on totally different TVs, totally different channels, all at the same time, so you'll be totally fine.
I'm so excited about getting Sling TV. Now I can keep playing video games while my sisters watch TV on their other devices.
I want to play Xbox too.
Get out of here.
All right, great. And so who's watching in here? You're watching in here?
I mainly watch in here.
Okay, what are you watching in here?
I'm watching a lot of soaps, local channels.
You can definitely get your local channels in here too. We'll actually be able to get those anywhere throughout the entire house. What's unique and amazing about the AirTV device is that you only need 1 antenna for the whole house, and you can put it wherever you get the best reception. The AirTV does all the work, so you can watch your locals for free in any room and even outside your home. Never worry about missing the game again.
I'm really excited that I can watch the local channels on Sling TV because I love watching my soap operas.
Sling TV is good for the Fermeuns, or any family for that matter, because 1, they're saving money every month, and 2, they're still getting the same TV that they've always had. So with the flexibility of our services, they can pick the channels that they want, they can get the kids extra for their kids, and still be getting all the channels that they want anywhere. Now they also have an antenna set up, so they can get their local channels as well. All right, so signing up for Sling is fast and easy. So just click for your 7-day free trial, and now all you have to do is enter an email and password. All right, and now we'll pick the services you want based on the channels that you watch.
Okay, so this one seems good.
And now, once we have your main service, we can pick any extras that you might want.
Okay.
So you mentioned you have children, so if you want the children's extra, or if there's a lot of sports going on in this house, you can have the sports extra.
Okay.
We also have cloud DVR.
Oh, I would like the DVR to like record my shows.
Perfect.
So we do that and have it get the kids extra also.
Sounds great. And remember, you can always add more extras later. You can do it here or on the app itself. So now you're all signed up, and you can start watching TV, even right here on your laptop.
Oh, wow. That was quick.
What I like about Sling TV is that I can watch all my favorite shows on my tablet.
There's a lot of things I love about Sling TV, but my favorite is that I can stream live TV anytime, anywhere I want. Like right now, I just find the app. Look at that.
I like Sling TV.
I'm so glad we finally cut the cord and signed up for Sling TV.
And now we're slingers.